how to deposit money in Binance wallet. So in this video, I'll show you step by step how to deposit money in Binance wallet. After you open the Binance wallet, so tap on this receipt button. So after you tap on the receipt button, so now you have three options to deposit money in your Binance wallet. So the first option, now you can deposit money from your Binance exchanger to the Binance wallet. So by tapping on this option, you'll be able now to find the option. So here it will give you all the money you have in your Binance exchanger. So now choose the one that you want to deposit. So let's say I want to deposit BTC. I'll select just the BTC. After I select the BTC, now select the network. After I select the network, go to this option. So now tap on this option. So tap on this continue. So by tapping on the continue, so here it will ask you to type in the amount you want to deposit. So the minimum amount here is the minimum amount. So you just go ahead and type in the amount 0.0005. After that, you just tap on this transfer. So from there, you deposit money to your Binance wallet from the Binance exchanger. That's the first method. So the second method, go back. So go back again. So now tap on this back arrow. So the second method, you can deposit money into your Binance wallet by copying the address of the token and giving it to someone to send you the money from another exchanger. So just tap on this option, receive tokens via address. So from this option, now you go and search for the token or for the money you want to receive. So let's say I want to receive, like, let's say BNB or Solana. I will select this one, Solana. After you select what you want to receive, so from there it will give you, here is the network, and just tap on this copy button. So by tapping on the copy button, so now you copy the address. So now you can just use this address and receive the money or deposit the money into your Binance wallet. That's the second method. So the last method, go back again. So the last method is this one. So if you choose this one, buy with card. So this buy with card, this will allow you now to use your card and deposit money into your Binance wallet. So now choose what you want to deposit. Let's say I want to deposit BNB Smart Chain. Select this one. So after I select this one, so the first thing to do after you select this one, so in this option now you select what you want to, how much you want to deposit. So now let's say I want to deposit 150 or 105. After you type in the amount in this option, so now you select the coin or the currency you want to deposit. So I'll just tap on this option. So already I choose BNB, so I'll be receiving, let's say I want to just receive BNB or BTC or USDT. So I'll just choose the coin you want to receive. So let's say I want to receive USDT. So now I'll be giving, now the next thing to do, now you tap on this option now, card. So you have MasterCard or Visa card. If you tap on this option, so from there it will give you option where it will ask you to add in your card details. After you add in your card details, so the Binance wallet will debit you via USD this amount. So and there it will give you this amount of USDT that you bought. So if you give 105 of USD, you'll be receiving 100.56 USDT. So just tap on this option now and add your card details. You have to use Visa card or MasterCard. After you add your card details, just tap on the continue button. So from there it will debit you from your card. After they debited you from your card, and then they will credit you into your wallet via your card. That's it, guys, on how to deposit money in Binance wallet. So hope this video helps. Like and subscribe. We'll meet in the next one.